Assuming you're searching for Algorand cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Algorand Algo will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of Algorand Algo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Algorand outline. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Sylvia McCallie, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different enterprises, including blockchain, money, and network protection. A few critical highlights of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated confirmation of stake, PPOS, that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for huge scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by malevolent entertainers, incorporating those with huge registering power. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single substance. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to control and misrepresentation. Algorand has various expected applications, including production network, the executives, computerized personality, resource following, and decentralized finance DeFi. It has likewise been utilized as the basic stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is $1 in 27 and Algo is at present positioned #61 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Algorand is 8,145,289 to 566 with a market cap of $1,569,882,836. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 5.22% as of now. Algorand is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Algo is down to nearly 1.2% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have, however. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. We anticipate future Algorand cost expectation Algo estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Algorand. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Algo coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Algorand value forecast synopsis. Algorand cost conjecture proposes a chance of Algos exchanging between $988 to $44.64 in 2025. Long-haul investigation proposes that Algorand cost might actually flood to $173.72 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $164.03 and $190.72. Algorand Algo is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $286 continuously to 2030. The cost of one Algo would reach as high as $145.06 by 2040. With the ongoing cost of $27, Algorand holds its ground on the lookout. Algorand value expectation 2024. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $125.74 in 2024. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $128.41 with the typical cost of $2650 all through 2024. Algorand value forecast 2025. Algorand cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $988 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $44.64 with a typical figure cost of $21. Algo value conjecture for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2026 the cost of Algorand is determined to be at around a base worth of $5,609. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.6969 with a typical exchanging worth of $5.815 in USD. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2027. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $77 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $699 with the typical gauge cost of $2367. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $114. The algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $140 with the typical worth of $118. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $167. The algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.92 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.72. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.38 in 2030. The Algorand cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $286 with a typical cost of $0.47 all through 2030. Algorand Value Estimate 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $342 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $417 with a typical exchanging cost of $352 all through 2031. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2032 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $507. The algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $606 with the typical exchanging cost of $521. Algorand Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $766 in 2033. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $882 with the typical exchanging cost of $787 all through 2033. Algorand Value Figure 2040. The reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Algorand cost gauge for 2040, Algo is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $145.06 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Algo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $118.70, while the typical cost of the Algorand for 2040 is projected to be $127.83. Algo Value Conjecture for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is critical, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more